Yeah, I'll step down all the stinging nettles. Watch out though, because there is some here. Don't fall.
Okay, I can't see where Daddy, this stinging nettle's got flowers on them.
Yeah, sometimes the ones with flowers don't sting you, but sometimes they do still.
A lot of money.
Can you see the way I walked? Watch out.
Where were we?
Should we go into these
That's
rooms?
the dungeons.
This is the dungeons.
Hello? Dungeon. Hello? This is the dungeon.
Oh, look at that. Come on, next bit. I told you it was a castle, didn't I?
Is that all that? What's the noise coming from?
Probably an echo. Right, Kev, watch your step.
Is this the floor? What's this?
More dungeon.
It's a dungeon.
Right, watch your step.
How tall is it?
Careful on the edge here. Step into the middle of the roof. Don't go to that edge.
What edge?
That edge on the other end of the stairs.
What? What's this?
Alright, and then don't wait, because there's a drop there.
Oh,
If you want to go across, I can take you across.
I'm not going down. I'm not going over there.
No, you wait for me. Right, let's just do a
How
quick...
do we get into that little? How did we get into that little base thing? Wasn't that trap door? How do we get in there? Daddy,
How do we get in?
back down.
Yeah.